It is Saturday, August 24, 2019 at 6:52 p.m. Let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center. Alright, we have Disturbance 2 with a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours over Texas and the Louisiana area in the Gulf of Mexico. We got formation chance through 48 hours low at 10%, and formation chance through 5 days low at 10%. We also have Disturbance 1 with 70% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours by the Florida Peninsula. It has formation chance through 48 hours high at 70%, and formation chance through 5 days high at 90%. And now we have Tropical Storm Dorian over in the Atlantic headed towards the Greater Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic area. Let's see here. Maximum sustained winds of 35 knots or 40 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure of 1,008 millibars. Located at 10.7 north and 49.1 west. Movement west at 10 knots or 12 miles an hour. Let's take a look here. The key messages for Tropical Storm Dorian. Dorian is forecast to strengthen and could be near hurricane strength when it approaches the Lesser Antilles on Tuesday. It is too soon to determine the specific timing or magnitude of impacts in the Lesser Antilles, but tropical storm or hurricane watches may be needed for a portion of the area on Sunday. Let's take a look here. These are the earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds to the area. As it approaches the Lesser Antilles on Monday at 8 p.m., here it would be around Monday at 8 p.m. when it reaches that area. When it starts reaching the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico is at Tuesday at 8 p.m. and then Wednesday at 8 a.m. between Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. By Wednesday 8 p.m. it would be by getting closer to Cuba and the end of Dominican Republic. Alright, let's take a look here. Tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. So these are where the possible tropical storm force winds are. So these are the areas where the forecast for the advisories of the winds are. The Lesser Antilles here, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and parts of the Dominican Republic here. Alright, let's take a look at the satellite images. This is the Atlantic right now. This is Disturbance 1 over Florida, Disturbance 2 over Texas, and Dorian over the Atlantic. Alright, let's take a look at Dorian. This is Dorian. It does not seem to be too well put together, but it is getting a bit larger in the sense of clouds, and it does seem to be approaching the area a bit quicker than I thought it would. Let's take a look at the Gulf right now. This is Disturbance 2 over the Texas and Louisiana area. Excuse me, guys. Alright. So it is bringing rain to the Texas coast and parts of Louisiana there. Alright, let's take a look at Mike's weather page. There are tornado watches issued for western Kansas as far southeastern stripe of counties and the southwest and northeast until midnight. So the tornado watch in Kansas in the southwest and northeast until midnight. Giving you guys a heads up there. Alright. Also, this is Dorian. It has tropical storm winds up till the end of Monday, and then once it reaches 2 p.m. on Tuesday, it is said to be forecasted to be a hurricane, and 2 p.m. Wednesday as well, and Thursday hurricane forecast here from the National Hurricane Center. We still don't know if it's actually going to be turning into a hurricane, but this is what the National Hurricane Center says, so gotta keep an eye on that. Alright, let's take a look at windy.com, and this is Dorian as it is outside of the Greater Antilles forecast for Monday at 1 a.m. Let's forward it up a bit for Tuesday, and it approaches closer And this is Wednesday, as it's between the Lesser Antilles and Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico there. Wednesday, getting closer. Wednesday, 2 p.m. Wednesday, 7 p.m., it would be over the island. Thursday at 3 a.m. And then Thursday at 12 p.m., it would be over Dominican Republic. So that's it for the forecast. Don't know if it's actually going to take that course, but the models are pretty much saying that there could be a storm headed that way for the Puerto Rico Dominican Republic area. Alright, hopefully it falls apart and no hurricane actually forms. Gotta keep praying for that. The people of Puerto Rico had enough with Maria, and they still have homes that have blue tarps on their roofs and haven't been really repaired. So pray for the people of Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, Virgin Islands, and the Lesser Antilles, because they're gonna need it. Alright guys, see you guys next time. God bless.